student, how are you? I hope you're great after your vacations at home. And today I'm here in Morocco and I'm going to visit the castle, but you have to continue or start with your book, with your activities on your book. So open your book, please. Today, we are going to start part 4, our book. What can we build together? So, open your book, page 62. In this page, you have to complete activity number 1, 2. But first, you have to follow the clues in your Awesome Reader. Okay, take your time. Then, complete and answer the activity number 1 and 2. Activity number 1. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. So, first, and repeat after me, please, the words in the box. Bike, clue, hunt, map, surprise, treasure. Perfect. Now, repeat again, please. Okay, you have to complete the 6 sentences with the vocabulary or with the word from the box. For example, number 1, happiness is the greatest in life. The greatest bike, or the greatest surprise, or what is the correct answer? Okay. Next, continue with the activity and complete the 6 sentences. Number 2, activity number 2, do you ever receive a surprise? So you have to answer the two questions. What was the surprise and how did you find your surprise? For example, what was the surprise? A cell phone. And how did you find your surprise? My father gave me the surprise, for example. Page 62. In this page, you have to answer activity number 3 and 4. The first activity number 3. First, a treasure is the first picture in your page. Okay, but you have to complete in activity number 3. You have to complete and answer the 4th question. Were you ever on a treasure hunt? If not, can you remember a movie or cartoon about it? Go around the classroom, in this case around your house, and ask someone like your father, your mother, or your sister and brother the following question. When was the treasure hunt? Where did it take place? Who went on a treasure hunt? And what treasure did you find? Answer this question and then complete activity number 4. For example, in the activity number 3, when was the treasure hunt? For example, you can look in the internet or watch a movie about treasures. And then activity number 4, you have to write about thing could be a treasure. For example, a treasure is something that contain gold or money or something like that. Okay. Dear students, it's all for today, but I'm going to check this beautiful place. So see you tomorrow. Bye.